How to add YouTube channel link on Facebook. Hello everyone, in this quick tutorial I am showing that how to add YouTube channel link to Facebook. First of all, open the Facebook page. Now click on the profile icon in right side and click on the page icon. Now scroll down and go to the about section. Scroll down in the details, you can see your about info. Click on it. In contact info, click on edit option, and now you can see add your social link you want. Click on add social link. You can choose YouTube and enter your account name. That's it. Thanks for watching. Follow for more such helpful videos.